So I started using this product for, I want to say 10 days, 10, 12 days, and my hair has grown this much. Hi guys, it's Ellie. Welcome back to my channel. I missed you guys so much. I didn't work Friday, Saturday, Sunday on my YouTube videos, but I was working behind the scenes, so I basically worked all weekend. But today I launched an amazing product. I'm going to show you guys my hair before and after and how long I was using it. So if this is your first time, my name is EllieArket. I am a psychic medium, a life coach, a paranormal researcher, investigator, and founder of EllieArket Cosmetics. On this channel, I usually sit down during my coffee morning vlogs every morning and do my, makeup and gossip and chit chat. If you guys like content like that, I hope you guys join the channel and join my family, hashtag Ellie's Army. And I can't really do a full-on coffee morning vlog, gossip and makeup today because I'm busy running around, but I wanted to show you guys my hair and I want to show you guys what this product is doing. So as you guys know, I've talked about this openly. I went through a really severe depression. My 6-year relationship just abruptly ended and I was like on my own and I had to like pay all my bills, and then my mom had a stroke, and then I had no downtime. Like I couldn't mourn this relationship ending, even though I wanted it to end, but still, emotions are involved. And then my mom having a stroke and like at the edge of death, and I had to work and make money and then worry about her, and then, like mourn this loss and of like the relationship, and then this person that used to be here that helped me with things, and my puppy. It was like really, really overwhelming. So I didn't get a chance to really like sit back and process what I was experiencing. So I was just working and just trying to keep everything together. And as a result, I started attacking my hair. I don't know why I started doing that. The only thing I can think about was like some sort of like a release, like just like to do something, because I was busy with my YouTube channels and my businesses. But anyways, I damaged the shit out of my hair. So my hair used to be like down to my ass. It was black down to my ass. When I first started YouTube 2 years ago, it was like literally down to my ass, jet black, and I'd never really fucked with it like that. So I did, damage it going blonde and stuff like that 2 years ago, but even the blonde wasn't that bad. Whatever I did this past couple of months or this year really, really damaged my hair. So not only that, my hair got damaged, also I started noticing that the hair was getting super, super thin. Like I had all the breakage that was happening, but it was like getting really, really thin. So the company that I'm working with, where we developed the 24 karat gold collagen day serum and night serum, basically I contacted them and I was like, listen, yo, I need a fucking like a serum for my hair. And my hair is so thick right now. I mean, I showered like an hour ago, so it's air drying and it's just like so fucking poofy because, so anyways, they sent me the sample. I have no makeup on, by the way. If I look like shit, that's why. So they sent me the serum and they're like, check it out, see if you like it. So this is like 100% biotin. Okay, this is plant-based, it's vegan. This is for your scalp. You put this on, I'll get into it. Anyway, so they send this to me and they're like, yeah, this is vitamin B7, biotin, 100% vegan, plant-based. This is for people that are balding and they have hair loss or patches of hair loss. Like, it's a serious fucking serum here. This is not just like, oh my God, put it on your hair so it can be shiny. No, this bitch is gonna make your fucking hair grow so fucking thick. So I started using it this past 10 days. Now, I cut my hair like to here, and I did a TikTok video when I did that, and I was like, I look cute, it's fine, my face is cute. I had to cut my hair because it was so damaged. So when I cut it, it was like literally like to here. So I started using this product for, I want to say 10 days, 10, 12 days, and my hair has grown this much. Literally, my hair grew this much. Like, it's insane. And all the breakage that I have it's growing all over the hair. And so now my hair is so thick because it's growing from my roots, and it's growing, all the breakage is all growing out. So now my hair is so fucking poofy, it's insane. And it's making it really shiny. So I'm just gonna put a little bit, because my hair is dry but it's still damp. So I'm just gonna put, you know, you're supposed to put this like roots to tip, right? So basically, I don't know if you guys can tell on camera because I did highlight my hair over the weekend. I want to make my ends kind of like a copper orange, so I just did like a little bit because I didn't want to damage it. So I don't know if you guys can see, but it's like all shiny and amazing, and I'm just like so stoked. So I was like, okay, since this shit's working, I ordered a huge batch of it. So now I just received the package. So they sent me a sample like two, 3 weeks ago. I started using it, and then when I saw, okay, I'm getting results with the hair, it's getting so manageable, it's getting so thick, and it's just like my hair is going to go down to my ass. I think by next year, not even by next year, maybe but like in 6 months, my hair is going to be down to my ass. I mean, the way this is growing, I don't know, my hair might be just like down to my ass, like probably in 6 months. But anyways, so I ordered a huge batch of it. So now this is available on my shop, EllieArket.com. Like I said, I'm going to read you guys to what it says. Natural plant formula, promote hair growth, nourishes from hair roots to tip. You apply this to your damp hair, massage it in your hands, and then you just apply it to your roots, and then you just like bring it all the way down to the tips. Okay, so from like head, from roots to tip, like look how thick my hair is right now. It's like, it's like my hair looks like I have a helmet on. It's like really insane. And so basically you put this on, okay, and for best results, you can even wrap your hair, like you can put this in your hair when it's damp, roots all the way down to the tips, and you can wrap your hair for like 15 minutes. Let the serum absorb into your scalp and the rest of your hair for 15 minutes. Leave it alone, let it air dry for like 10-15 minutes, and then you can style it, blow dry or whatever. So if you do this every single day, you're going to see. I started using this every day. So now my hair, you guys saw the picture I just inserted, right? So my hair grew this much. Literally, my hair grew this much already in 10 days. Like, it's insane. So this is available on my store, EllieArket.com. You guys can purchase this for 60 bucks. It's for men and women. You can get 3 for $150. It's like a $10 like discount for a bundle deal. So if you guys get 1, it's 60. You can buy 3 for a bundle deal for $150. Honestly, you should buy this for your husbands and boyfriends and sons and uncles, whatever, because this shit is serious, okay? This is not for just like, oh, my hair. No, this shit's gonna fucking make your hair thick as fuck, like super fucking thick. And look at this. Look, you guys. All the breakage is growing. Look how thick my hair is right now. Look at this shit. It's so thick, and I haven't really experienced this in a while because I damaged my hair so much with over bleaching it, coloring it, stripping the color, coloring it again. Like, I just went nuts on my hair. So I'm so excited. A, I want to grow my hair out, and I wanted to find an amazing product that was going to do that. And then B, I want to help you guys that if you guys are experiencing what I experienced, like I damaged the shit out of my hair, then this is the products for you. I know you guys trust me. The people that have bought my skincare, if you guys know, you know. If you guys have bought my skincare and you're seeing a huge results with your skin, trust me when I tell you this is going to change your life. So go grab it. I have a feeling I'm going to sell out, and then I have to order another batch. So if you guys want to grow your hair out and you want to get your hair healthy, your husband, your sons, your boyfriend, your girlfriend, whatever, this is some serious business. It's plant-based. It's vegan. You're not going to have any reaction. You're not going to have anything happen to you. It's just going to make your hair thick as fuck, and it's going to grow really long. And if you're balding, if you're experiencing hair loss, whether it's hormonal or because you damage your hair, this is going to stop it. Your hair will not come out. It's going to get thick from the roots, and it's going to grow. So go grab it. That's basically what today's video is, because I'm busy. I got to go do a bunch of shit. And I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Give it a try. I cannot wait for my hair to grow, you guys. I cannot wait. And I am I'm not gonna do the orange hair color like all over. As you guys can see, I'm just gonna use it as like highlights and just keep my roots dark, and then just kind of do like the copper like highlights orange vibe. And I think it's gonna be really sexy and hot. And I have no makeup on. I do have Babe on my face, I think. Do I have Babe or Bear? I have Bear on my face. So this is my lipstick Bear, and this is all I have on my face. And I always do this when I'm running errands. I just put a little bit on my face and my lips, and I'm out the door. And I look really white and pasty, but that's okay. It's November. All right, guys, love you guys. Tomorrow, I'll see you guys for a brand new coffee morning vlog, gossip and makeup. We're gonna gossip. We're gonna do a look of the day, and go grab this, you guys, if you're serious about growing your hair out. All right, love you guys. Bye.